In this topic of the Windows 11 course, we will see how to activate Windows 11 operating system. I have downloaded and installed the Windows 11 operating system without activating the operating system. To activate the Windows 11 operating system, I need to have the product key. If I have a product key, then I have to click on Start, go to the settings. Only if you activate the Windows 11 operating system with a valid product key, you will be able to personalize your computer. Like if I choose the personalize option and if I click on background, I'll not be able to change the background settings because it is asking me to activate. Once I have activated, I'll be able to personalize the background. I'll be able to change the themes. I'll be able to change the background images. To activate, I'll go to the system, or in the same personalization option, I can activate. So I'll show you different options how we can go to the activation page. There is a button here, there is an option here to select the activation, and if you select the activation, you can change the product key. If you have a valid product key, you can change your product key from this option. I will enter the product key and I'll select next. Since I have used the Windows 11 Professional product key, it will do a seamless transition from Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Professional. All I need to do is I have to click the Start button. It will transition from Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Professional 64-bit edition without any data loss. And there will be a restart once the upgrade is completed from Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Professional. You need to have a valid key. You will be able to transition from Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Professional. You will see most of the features which are not included with Windows 11 Home. It will be included with Windows 11 Professional. I will click on Start, and it is going to take some time to convert from Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Professional. The upgrade is in progress. It has completed 10%. I will pause the video here. I will come back. I can see the upgrade progress is at 88%. It's almost in the final stage of the upgrade. I can see the upgrade has restarted the operating system. After the reboot, Windows operating system is installing some of the features. It is almost complete. It is now at 100%. After adding the features, operating system is rebooting again. This is the second reboot. I can see the upgrade is completed from Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Professional. This is the first time I am logging into the Tom's user account. I will enter the password. I will sign in with the Tom's user account and see what has changed with the Windows 11 Professional. I have logged in with the Tom's user account. I can see the desktop icons remain same as it is without any issues, and all the applications whatever we have installed, it remains intact without any change. If I go to the File Explorer, I wanted to see all the files which we have downloaded. It is there and it should be there. Yeah, we can see all the files are still available, and it is confirmed that even if we upgrade from Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Professional, there will be no impact to our files and folders, whatever we have stored. And if I want to check if the Windows 11 Home has been upgraded to Windows 11 Professional, I'll click on Start, then go to the System. There is an option here in About. I'll select this option, About. We can see Windows 11 Home has been upgraded to Windows 11 Professional, and we have the Windows 11 Professional successfully upgraded. Now, if I go to personalization, if I want to change the background image, if I select the background, I should be able to change the background image now. I'll select the picture. Now we are able to select the background image for our desktop. So in this topic, we have seen how to activate Windows 11 operating system, and also we have seen how to upgrade Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Professional with a valid professional activation key. I'll see you in the next topic. In the next topic, we will see how to set the background images and how to download and install the themes for our Windows desktop.